So I purchased the Mavic Pro. I wanted to share this video for whoever follows my channel and was wondering what I'm filming with whenever I film at these ATV parks for the side-by-sides and ATVs. Psych. That's old. I just recently purchased the DJI based FPV drone, and it's quite a handful. Takes a lot to get used to. It does not stay in the air long enough for you to get cinematic photography. So I love it, but it's not what I want to use to actually film on a daily basis. So I purchased the MAVIC AIR 2 so I can keep it in the air longer and just kind of, you know, forgive and forget. Leave it in the air, get good shots, not have to worry about it. Comes with the travel bag, aircraft, remote controller, RC cable ×3, flight battery ×3, power adapter, AC power cable, propellers pair ×6, which is 12, charging hub, battery, power bank adapter, the ND filter set, USB cable, control stick ×2, and the manual, of course. So let's open it up. I'm sure if you guys seen the last video of the FPV, you remember this knife. Just saying, it almost killed me. Oh, that's nice. I believe that's all the propellers. Propellers. I like how they give you that many, thinking that all you're going to break is the propellers. If you've ever had a DJI, if you ever crash it once, you're going to break more than a propeller. I don't know what's in here. Nothing. I can't believe that everything is in this bag. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. It's actually not as small as I thought it was going to be. It's not too much smaller than the actual MAVIC Pro, the old one. It's got all the stickers that tell you which way to fold the wings out, so that way you don't get caught up mismatched. Battery's pretty thick. Wow, it's very light without the battery. This is much different than the Pro. Charging bank comes with an extra USB port. Another battery. The controller. It's nice. Wonder how big of a phone that can take. If it can take a tablet. You need an adapter. Is this the cords integrated into the... It is. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's pretty cool. USB-C and Thunderbolt. That plug right into the controller itself that kind of stores away with it. I'm not sure where the sticks are. And this is the charging station. Also, I think that it will not charge them at the same time. It'll charge one, then move to the next, which I think is stupid, but okay. I believe that is it for the bag. I can't believe everything fit in there. It's a very nice bag. I highly recommend buying the Fly More combo. So this is what it comes with. I pulled up the website for anyone that's wondering, that's wanting to see it. It's kind of laid out. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh, and it comes with the ND filters wherever they are. They hit them in the bag, I think. So there's more charging. USB-C, micro, another USB-C. I need all those for my GoPro. Another charging port, and this will be the filters. Oh, they're so tiny. This is the SD card that I purchased from Best Buy. Not sure if you guys know this, but you can put up to a 256 gigabyte. This one's sufficient for 4K. It offers 100 megabyte read speed. I'm not sure what the write speed is, but I think it's at least 90. But this will work. And I needed something that's actually not gray and red or white and red like the Evo, the Samsung, and the SanDisk. So the green and black is actually going to be for the MAVIC. So that way I can keep up with it. This light, it's 1100 lumen light. I've actually got holsters that's coming that's actually compatible with GoPro mounts. I'm going to rig this up. So these are going to be the attachment lights that's rechargeable 1100 lumens. It's a Motorola. It's going to go on the race drone at the bottom. I've already actually tried it out. So works great. Flew at midnight. I could see anything. It was pretty hard to fly, but I just kind of want this if I'm chasing somebody that's drag racing at night. So they don't have anything that's offered right now for the MAVIC Air 2 that's aftermarket or a stock accessory. So that's it. This is the drone, and yeah, for this one, not sure. You can actually put the wrong propeller on the brushless motor that's marked with white. You can put the non-white propeller on the white motor, and it will still link up. I think they had a lawsuit about that. I saw that in a video before. So hopefully I do not forget to do that so it don't flop over on itself. So that's it. That's my video of the MAVIC Air 2 combo. I recommend if you buy it with the combo, because those batteries are, I think, around $115 a piece. If you think about it, that's $230 for batteries, just for 2 extra.